You know one thing about noodles in African homes? No matter how old you get, noodles will always have a special place in your heart. Growing up, noodles felt like enjoyment, especially on days your parents absolutely say, let's have Indomie. Huh? That is instant happiness. And somehow, everybody always believed their own method of cooking Indomie was the best. Some people like it dry, some like it soaked, some people add only egg. But today, we decided to do something absolutely different. This was not the ordinary noodles again. At some point, these noodles had almost everything inside: carrots, spring onions, bell pepper, corned beef, sardine, eggs, and honestly, the noodles was carrying responsibilities. But one thing about loaded stir-fried noodles, the more colorful it looks, the sweeter it tastes. And immediately we started frying everything together. The whole place started smelling amazing. Everything, especially the spring onions and bell peppers, that combination alone gives serious cooking skills. Then adding the corned beef and the sardines, at this point, everything was just hungering everybody. Like it became a full meal rather than a quick meal. And honestly, I think one thing Nigerians know how to do very well is to upgrade a simple recipe. Like ordinary noodles can become something luxury depending on how it enters your pot. And then came the eggs. And honestly, eggs inside stir fry noodles is completely changes the whole thing. So I had to mix the veggies, the corned beef, the sardine together to make it very easy because I want to be very fast and I don't want this particular recipe to get burnt. So I went ahead and add all of this into my pot. But tell me why I cannot add it without adding some ginger and garlic, because this actually changes the taste of your indomie. If you have not been adding ginger and garlic to your indomie, I am telling you, go and try it out and you will definitely love it. Even while cooking it, looking at it was satisfying. And one thing I love about the outdoor kitchen setup is how cooking meals feels more relaxing, more free, more fun. Me and the kids get to bond during cooking period, especially when everything is moving around, like talking, gisting, tasting food, and giving unnecessary opinion while you are cooking. By the time the noodles was finally ready, soft but still slightly stir fried, colorful, rich and flavorful. Honestly, the taste was just too good. We could not have enough of it. And I love recipes like this because it reminds you that food doesn't always need to be complicated to feel special. Sometimes you just need to use what you already have at home, mix everything together, and create your magic.